one? This one?
This is kind of
that one?
This one or that one, but they're both cute. Blessing bell is not a blessing at all.
Oh yeah.
Oh my. Watch your head, Sienna, watch your head.
I got it. First, the key to this is getting it in the front first. You gotta bring it up. I made the mistake. I tried to go for the Let's go. Okay.
A bag?
That
What do you
one.
need a bag for?
Because we're running dead.
Ooh, big grip.
Well, that's it. Bring it up. It better not open up.
Oh, sweet.
I want to get it back.
Rig report.
Big grip.
Fine.
Sienna would like that gumball machine.
That's it.
That's a puzzle. We don't need a puzzle. Ah. This is difficult.
Turn it. Ooh. You got it? Okay, try this. Now I got it.
Oh.
Can I try?
I'll try for the gumball machine.
Oh, Gumball machine with the bigger loop.
Oh. It does have a bigger loop. You don't even look to the side. Oh. Oh my gosh.
No way. No way.
Oh my
No.
gosh. Are you serious? It's a gumball machine! I don't think it's gonna fit.
No, we're
Okay,
gonna have to go buy
touched it.
candies and fill it up.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'll get you a
Here's the
bigger
bag.
one. Hi everybody, so this is the gumball machine that we won and it's really cute, but we don't eat a lot of gumballs, so I just wanted to show you what I'm going to use this for. I actually saw this at Honey and Butter Macaroons in Irvine. I thought it was a great idea. They use this to store their Tsum Tsum toys in, and I think it's just perfect. It's a great way to display your little vinyl toys, especially the ones that you get in the surprise eggs. So we've opened a lot of surprise eggs in the past, and we have a ton of little toys, including like a lot of gacha gacha toys as well. So I just thought I would put them in here. Thought I'd also show you our little collection of toys that we've gotten out of surprise eggs. So this is what we have. We have Olaf. I'm gonna put these in there definitely. I have like the Super Mario, the Yeti. I think I'm gonna take them off of their. can't decide if I should use it for just the Tsum Tsums or if I should. I also have these like random things that we've gotten. Mic. I might just use it for the Tsum Tsums. We have some duplicates. But I don't know, let's see how it looks. And I'm just gonna put them into here. Just twist off. And then we can put these in there, okay? See? So, and I think it'll look better if I take them off their little pedestals. I don't know, should I just keep the pedestals on? Maybe we'll just put everything in here and save the little pedestals for later. Yeah, when you put it back on, you're gonna have to turn it upside down and then screw the top on like this after you put the gumballs in. Anyway, this is a fun way to use your gumball machine to display your Tsum Tsums. Thank you for watching. Bye.